Yo, mic check. Yo, chat, now hear me? Hold on, give me like 2 seconds, my fault. What time? 8:18 almost. Let me fix that. Almost 8:30. Got like what, 11 minutes left. So you know me, I do chat, me I run the analysis so we can get that done by 8:30. Have the levels, them mark up and everything. Hold on, you know see my screen? And goal just arrange from morning. Hold on, let me fix this. The second time that I come off, you know? Alright, we're good. Journey long, don't give up, go on pedal. So chat, what wanna been up to, bro? Anyone say I fill out the journal, well, no fill out it, I just add on the new part for this week, you see me? Today I 17th, so that's a Monday, you see me? So yeah, I just add on the new section here for this week trades. As you already know, my journal, all of my trades, them. Hold on, let me see. Hold on there. Which part will you put the next one? Oh yeah, we're good. See there. Alright, chat. As I say, yeah, we journal all our trades them. You see me? So far we're up on a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 win streak. Yeah. 13 win streak per stream. But yeah, chat, as I say, me have this a new part, so we'll see how this week go. You see me? Forward, I just continue to follow a plan, execute, and yeah, by ending of the week, as long as we follow a plan, we should be good. So you know, me running analysis, I'm gonna delete everything. Start from the monthly candle. And chat, bear in mind, me no mark up from the monthly time frame. I just look at it so I get an idea of the monthly candle are you. So still bullish, level days and 9 hours left. Drop down to the weekly. 4 days, 9 hours. Yeah, this weekly candle in a range. It's like we either have to go break the highs or break the lows, chat. That's today. Gold just arrange from mine. I dropped down to the daily time frame yesterday. Previous daily candle close bearish below the range, as you can see. 40.85. Current daily candle open up, we push down first. Print a wick. I think we push back up and then we print a high after that. So, as I'm say, how me see chat, the market a range right now. So in order for goal, in order for like get some volume in our market, we are gonna need gold for either break the highs or break the lows. But yeah, that's the daily time frame though. I drop down to the 4. Now you can see way better. It's already 14. Thing to the open up right as up on this bullish candle. So as you can see chat, this 4-hour time frame, we're currently in our range. You see me? This is the range we're in. So that's what I said to you earlier. In order for, well, I'm turning off the timer. In order for goal, like, in order for start get some volume in our market, most likely we would have wait for price either break the lows, or break the highs. Once price break out a range shot, we're not gonna look for first breakout. So price push up. and we break out of the range with a bullish candle. We now look for no buys because after consolidation, see la. After consolidation chart, this is basically when price are range. Normally, price usually manipulate. You see me? So if price will break out of the range, we would look for no buys. We would wait and see if price can manage to close back into the range. You see if that happen, then we'll look for sales going down to fill the range. So we could look for sales from below here, so going down to the range fill. Like something like this. If you don't understand, hopefully that's not too confusing. You see me? And all that would be, this would be a range right as a chart price push up, print a fake out, and after we print a fake out, aka liquidity, we close back into the range. So any closure back into the range good to carry down towards the range fill. You see me? So some would look, that are the idea we have for sales. You see me? Vice versa. You see if price to break the lows first, chat. See if price to break the lows first, so we push down and we break the lows of here, so. And after we break the lows, we flip back bullish if that will happen. Now after we break the lows, next candle push back up and we close back into the range. And enough have to be one candle in a chart. It can be multiple candle we push up, you see me, and close back into the range. This is just the example right here, so you see me. So you know have to happen like exactly how I draw you out, but that's the idea. If price will push down and we grab liquidity, close back bullish into the range, we could look for buys from above the range if we go up to fill the range. Because I look for buys go up towards yes sir. Because I say alright, yes sir, the range fill. Here's in my chat. So we could look for buys above 41 levels. But the key thing is we need like a breakout of the range. We need price need to either break the highs or break the lows. Once that happens, we're gonna get some volume in our market. And remember, when you fall upon the chart, you want to identify like what type of like cycle we're in. You see me call 3 different type of like market cycle. You have a consolidation, you have a manipulation, and you have a continuation. Sometimes we fall upon the chart and price just like a consolidate. May have like players, then 2 players that I just break down just now. Them they are the players we use for when price are range. Whenever price are range, may have then 2 idea there in mind. And if you fall upon your charts one day and it's like goal just a push, it's like how right as a chart, so like how right as a whenever did a range goal just a push straight down. You see me right as a kind of range a little bit, but right most likely like in a like market cycle like this chat, we have like different players for when price just a move, whether we are push bullish or whether we bearish. We have like ideas. Basically whenever price I do this, we usually wait for like a closure below, price print a top wick, and then we enter upon the rebreak of the lows. That are usual players for like when price a move. But days like this, when price a range, we have some different players for that day. And if you never understand it, I'll break it down one more time. And then I mark up the charts and we'll wait for entries if we get none. Say a chat. So identify what type of day it is or what type of market cycle we're in. If you ask me, we're ranging at the moment, price are range. So when we wait one, first of all, you gotta identify the range. That's the first thing you gotta do. So well, that's the price in our range. This is the range we're in. Here's my chat. So once you identify the range, you're going to either wait for price break the highs or the lows, because we need volume, as I'm say. So basically something like this. If price to push up first, if this can go flip bullish and price push up, after price push up we break the highs. No, sorry, we break out of the range. Yeah, still break out the highs anyways. So if price push up and we break out of the range track, break the highs, as I said, we're not looking for no buys on the first breakout, because this could just be a fake out for price close back into the range. After consolidation, you have like a manipulation. So this right here, so would be the manipulation up as a chat. You see me? Yeah, this right here, so would be the manipulation, aka liquidity. So if that for happen, would look for no buys on the first breakout, would I wait and see if price can close back into the range, print a top wick, cause we need structure. If price just close back into the range shot, would look for no sells, we need structure first. If that can happen, would I look for take sells below yourself for continue down towards the range fill. You see me? But we need them lower highs there. So like how we have a high right there, so price print another lower high right there, so we print another lower high right there, so that's what you call like structure. You see me? So if price for just push down and close back into the range, we look for no sells. In order for me to take sells, we need structure on the way down. You see me, chat? This price a push down, we need structure on the way down, like lower highs. Someone know it as lower highs. And then we have to take sells below. You see me? Once we have then lower highs, yeah. Cause when we have structure, price order for push up and break. So it sells would be even more valid if we have structure on the way down. Same thing for the buys and chat. If we break below first, so price don't push up and price push down, and we break out of the range first. You see me? And you break out of the range, we're gonna avoid it. For the same razor chat, it could just be a fake out. You see me? If we push bullish back into the range. And if that will happen, once we get a closure back into the range after price grab liquidity, because as I say, you could have called this liquidity if that will happen. So after price do that, if price manage to close back into the range, then we could have looked for buys going up. You see me? So that's the idea we have for today. Today is a range type of day. There are two players we have whenever like the range. You see me, chat? And bear in mind, we can adjust the levels. Everything when we talk about, we can like adjust, but it depends on how price are print. You see me? Because we usually adapt. You see, everything when we just explain, you see, if price not do that, we gonna adapt to what price I do. You see me? But yeah. But that are the baseline though, that are the overall plan. That are the idea. So what I do now, I mark up my levels them with the same idea in mind. I think I did Friday. If I did that on the stream Friday and you see how much ideas we have and goal just like fill range them without like give entry confirmation, and you see how I just adjust my levels them and adjust like it cables them when we look for buys or sells off, or sometimes that can change too based on how price print. You see my chat? So yeah, as I said, I don't mark up from like a daily time frame them. I mark up my levels them from like a 4 hour, hourly and a 30 minute. But I go up on the daily levels to confirm it. Like for example, same way I put one level right here, so you see me? I would like go up on the daily level and confirm, like make sure the level add up. You see me, chat? So much like how much time price reject from the level. So some usually mark up my levels them. So alright, when I put a line at 54.6.26, because this is bottom of my range, chat. You see me? This is top of my range, right? Yeah, so this is top of my range, 4101.59. So this is the range we're in. Remember I'm telling you, either we'll break the highs or we'll break the lows. Whichever one first, then we'll get some volume. Cause price not enough volume right now, so it's like you see for yourself, once we break the highs or we break the lows, you see price start move. But yeah, chat, that's basically the first step. Either we price break the highs or break the lows. We don't have no buys or sells idea yet, cause we not break nothing yet. You see me? So that's why I just have two lines for right now, chat. Now I just wait and see what price do. I remember like we just break down like what could happen for either if price either break the highs first or break the lows first. But yeah, chat, that's the analysis, bro. You see me? We just forward on, identify what type of market cycle we're in. It's a range type of cycle. It's a range type of day. So we just automatically we now limited to like all or a couple players. You see me? So I say I have to do it. It's like once my forward my chart, like first thing me do, I identify what what market cycle we in. I guess once you do that, then it's easier for like limit yourself to only a few players. But goal today we not on the news still, chat. We're not on the news today. I think we are Thursday before we get some news. Yeah. 17. We do have news today, but I just saw yellow folder. Jefferson. I don't even know the FOMC member. I have to go Google them. Because who are Jefferson and Williams? I have to go Google them and see who them there. But yeah, hopefully I understand the analysis chat. And then someone say we not have no red folder until Thursday, bro. So it's like gold probably gonna act up Thursday. We have all unemployment rate. That's like my favorite news. Unemployment. But chat, on the trading bin though, like how the market been a treat now. Cause I can't even lie. Market a treat me good, bro. Let's watch this. When we start back streaming, if I go on my like channel and you look on the whole I stream them, we never lose not even one trade from the start back. So that good, bro. You see me? That good. And this I like is stats. This is stats chat. As we journal every single trade. Right after I take a trade, I fill it out in a journal. So you can see clearly for yourself, bro. Last week was amazing. Week before that, I think we take 5 trades and we win 3 and 2 break even. And the week before that, we win 6 trades in a row. Like goal I cry. It's like one of my favorite months, November. November, one of my favorite. November and March. I love March and November, bro. I swear. Remember upon March, the entire time I never last stream, I talk about 2024 March. The whole entire month, I win. I not lose not one trade for the whole entire month. And I think on the last day I month, I end up take a loss, bro. And like the last day I month. And bear in mind, I basically trade every single day. Seal and thing shut down. Hold on, chat. Give me a second. PC a bug out. But yeah, chat, that's what I say. I can't ball, bro. Goal a move. Goal a deal with it good. Can't ball. You just have to continue to follow your plan though, you see me? And not get too high off I wins them. That's chat, don't feel like say, yo, may I make this like I make a win streak get to my brain, chat. May I do that. But you have to like analyze your stats. That's the reason why I'm a journal, you see me? So I can look back on my journal and see my results, how good or how bad my been at it. And I think I have this on my journal from even January, chat. It's a January 2024. January 17, 2024, bro. So my journal go way back, bro. Remember all the day I take 3 losses in a row. And bear in mind, I trade with a negative risk to reward. So 3 L's in a row, that's not normal for me. That happened like one time in my trading career. I swear, bro. Cause I just way on my trade chat, you see me? Remember, yes, bro. This was when May have a rough month, chat. May did rough. Just look at all of the L's here. L win L, bro. How much L is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. At least them not in a row still. But yeah, chat, I just like to look back on my journal. That's my style. Like. But I advise everybody or anybody in our chat to get a journal, bro. Like, I feel like say if you don't have a journal, you're not serious about trading. Like, bro, you know good it feel to look back by your journal from last year. It's starting last year. Most people can't do that. I say no journal. My shower, I pray, monster. Everything good, bro. Up top. I save price out and get some volume in the market. So that thumbnail I use for stream, I experiment with that thumbnail I check. I don't know. From me gonna change it. I just see how viewers react to the thumbnail. If they don't like it, then make it stay. If they don't like it, I just change it. I change it to something else. I'm put it back to like the first thumbnail them I use. Guy first set of thumbnail them they did mad. People ain't like that one day. Favorite Jamaican dish. No, bro. Leave one. Who that, man? Dog's their favorite Jamaican dish. I where most people afraid to admit. Alright, so I'm gonna stop a video, dog. I know him up to some fuckery. Yo, I pre the game, huh? I pre, bro. Remember your name, dog. Yeah, real youth. Everything active though. Right now, goal a range. We wait for a breakout. Either price break the lows or we break the highs first. Once we break out, we're gonna get some volume in our market. And we'll stay away from the first breakout because the first breakout is a high chance that might be a fake out, aka liquidity, if we push back into the range. So I just dismiss ourselves from morning. If price to break out, we close back into the range, then we could have looked for buys. No joke, father. Damn man, you're good. Yeah man, me active bro. You know, me active man. Me I tell you that last week, goal I did me good bro. I can't even have no complaints dog. Goal I did me good. Last week, amazing. Last week, 4 wins in a row. Week before that, 3 wins. Week before that, 6 wins. I know I'm gonna take a loss, bro, from the start live stream again. So I can't ball, dog. You see me? Right now, I'm doing great. Doing amazing. Toxically, couldn't big boy sponsor. I'll up my lot size soon, chat. I'm planning to up my lot size soon, like, tell you when, probably like next week. Next week. If we end off the week are good. If we end off the week are good, chat, I'll up my lot size Friday. Or next week, Monday. Alright, if most likely we're gonna be good though if I just follow a plan. You see me? Cause I say like whenever you have a trading journal, it's like you start show you say, yo, once you follow your plan, you're gonna be good. I may also fire away for like start share the journal. Cause everybody asks me for it. I'm gonna know if you share it. And this probably will show some private information. Hold on. I'm gonna try hide screen. How you share this? Give your untitled document a name before it's shared. Oh, okay, some of that's alright. No, don't do that. I forgot to do that off stream. I forgot to do that off stream chat. I figure out over share it so I can start share it too now. Like directly. I want everybody have a journal, bro. I swear, I don't know how traders trade without a journal. I don't know how they do it, bro. Interesting. Look like we're gonna break the lows first, chat. So if we break the lows first, that good. Anyone, either we break the highs or the lows, you know, really matter. Yo, chat, you know what, chat? Give me like 2 seconds, chat. Me I fall back. Isn't it? Me I pick up something and fall back in like 2 seconds, bro. I'm not go far, chat. Never inform, never call name. Greedy fool never on a small grain. Yo, chat. What's up, go on? I'm there back. You know, see my screen, by the way? So yeah, we still a range. We not break the lows yet, chat. Not break the lows yet. We have to run go somewhere look around and fall back. Wait, hold on, let me see. Hold on, you know, see my screen. Yeah, me have to run go somewhere look around and fall back out. I do cool the fuck. But chat, we not break the lows yet. I remember the plan what we have. We need for surprise either break the lows or we break the highs. Then we get some value in our market. But we have 9:30 a fall up still. Comics open. We should be able to get some movements. But yeah, price still in our range. We not break the lows nor the highs yet. I was have to just go away. I'm gonna play some music, dog. Yeah, I'm target out. Paper chase me that fast your fuck. Put it on a big screen where I showed. You can't shake the money tree where I wrote. Rich love my thing never die load. Don't know what the skin that I wrote. Swing low that they know why low. Yeah, I was stuck to crack like glue. Then I'm going my pint and see. The party done, my lie down, feel the killer. Chance to run. My thing guys don't screw. One click, wipe out crew. Man sick on the march, both flew. Okay, forget copyright, dog. Put it on the big screen where I chose. Hello, must start live, go live on Instagram. I'm gonna go play music on the gram now. Give my fuck fame. Run up on my bus brain when I talk chain. Tell her which part don't take up now. Cricket game. More violate we bring in pain. That if goal just continue for range for what like for the rest of the day, bro, man, I just call it. But more you expect that though. More you expect we just stay in this range for the rest of the day. More you expect that. But if I thought I would go step on, I just call it, nothing wrong. Call it bravery though, call it luck. Oh yeah, my God, I could be hungry before. You know, I have a mix for try out in a chat. I have a bad beat for try out, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna try find it. I think we have like a rap. Oh, I'm finding chat. See that? Our new what you call it? Our new rap, our new mix, but I like rap music, hip hop. I'm play. I'm finding chat. See that? Me with that so tell me if you not rate that one, yeah. Yo, chat, give me like 2 seconds. Me a forward. Give me like 2 seconds.
shake that ass, make me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad. I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, I be so exhausted, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this weed and got me lifted. Pour four and then I finish tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it. Got it all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way. Shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she loved me. I told her, who are you, ayy? I ain't with that lame shit since I took out your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA on wasted. Lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted. I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted. You don't hold me down for the last time. Baby,
Nah, tell a lie, that makes it kinda tough. I'm turn it up. Clever.
I've just been so
I
lonely,
even know the songs them pon ya. Like I yesterday I start listening.
These niggas acting phony.
Not even yesterday, like today.
Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be
And first me actually listen to this straight through. I think me listen to the first two songs them and then me do it with it. I play up on stream.
I just keep going, no, I've been so
Yeah,
broken.
I'ma turn that down,
Niggas
bro.
done changed, yet they
It's
knocking
too
me.
loud in my thing.
Can't tell that my heart just been frozen. Stay low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion. Raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fire, that's cause I'm chosen. And I don't do the boasting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like Tai Chi. Keep a check.
I love that chat. Bro, goal need a heal to break the lows or break the highs, chat. Well, we're closer to the re-break of the lows. So me just wait to see if this bullish candle, this forward bullish candle, can flip bearish, re-break the lows. If that happen, then we would wait. We would take no bias on the first breakout in the chat. I basically, hold on, I'm sure them. Every candle for push down, bearish, we break the lows. We not look for no sells. We not look for no sells below as a chat. As this are the first breakout. You see me? We are wait and see if price can print a fake out back into the range. If that will happen, then we look for buys above this level. We go up towards the range fill. You see me, chat? So that would have been the idea. But we see like we either need to break the lows first or we break the highs first. You see me? So that's how me wait for chat. That song is kinda, I never rate that song there. That's how we sang. Third one. Yeah, third one then already. Let me see. But yeah, chat, that would basically a wait one. You see me? Just a play some music while we wait.
But I wonder what I'm missing. I can never call you my little baby, no. When I drop, I wonder if you say my songs. Cause every time we fucking, we done came and went. But I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about no fucking Rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Sorry if you dumb me, no, we can't go run it back. They ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I might debut first, I did how to sound. I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, it's bad, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, sorry, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times. So I ain't tryna choose another time. Sorry, tell me now if you be really tryna start. Said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new biz. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, you stay shameless, bringing up they fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time. Before I blow up, I'm just trying to make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can win no hard up on my
Yeah, man, that tune is tough.
baby. Only rock basic
I like that one, yeah.
try and break a milli. I got
Oh,
women
no,
lined
tough.
up on the silly to get faded with me. They get just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me. Yeah. I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, it's bad, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, sorry, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like
Chat, as I'm gonna say, chat, may I wait for price break the lows. If we can break the lows first, then would I start look for entries? Cause we need volume. Price just ranging right now. We need volume. Price either need to break the lows or we break the highs. So we can get some volume. Almost 9:30. By 9:30 we should be able to get some volume in our market chat. Cause 9:30 our comics open in our next 5 minutes. So yeah, man, let's play some music. In the next 5 minutes, gold should start move.
Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, hopping now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you, tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways. All discussions turn to arguments, you ain't the one I started with. Ain't no conversations without thinking that I'm bothering. I just hate the feeling, girl, I'm sorry, but I'm blocking it. Caught up in your cycle when I really want no part of it. Like I've been abandoned, you've been losing all my trust. Plus you'd always take advantage, so I knew it wasn't love. Playing on my insecurities, I think I ain't enough. Looking deep into the mirror, counting every single flaw. Now you got me doing things, saying things that I never do. Used to say I love you, now I'm never getting next to you. Take me 30 seconds if I wanna find a better you. Don't know why I deal with it, forget the shit I said to you. The Mayday I'm in, you got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed,
But chat, if we don't have no questions, chat, you can just ask. You see me? Anything we don't understand, you just ask a question and me break it down.
Trying to keep me in your range, wait, fall back, cause I'm sick of it. Devil and the demon on your shoulder when you listening. Wishing I was special, but you never treat me different. Talking about a future, but I wonder what you picturing. All you do is run me in a circle, ain't forgiving it. I lost my time, then I lost my mind. You're the reason why I toss around in bed all night. Overwhelmed and suffocated all along those lines. Broken hearted every time you tell a lie. I'll admit it, I'm here. You got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound.
Basically, this is what I'm doing market a range chat. You see me, cause like you just find something to do whenever you wait. As I say, we have a full life plan chat. We now FOMO into no buys ourselves because like me not a problem with waiting. You see my chat. Just like whatever you do when you wait for your trades, whether you play music, whether you watch TV or no matter, but I gotta just keep on looking for the chart like every time, cause as you can see, gold just a range, you see me, when I do nothing. So the idea is once I see price push down towards Yasa chart, once I see price push down towards Yasa, break this yellow line, then we can start like locking. You see me? Once we break the lows or break the highs, then we're gonna lock in. But for right now, price now do nothing, so better I'm just vibe out, play some music. That's why in hear me I talk much. Where's in my chat?
I need my chairman, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to big gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey and fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Let me switch and I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no I won't scrap. Can put us on safe, we pop like a strap. By the blow it, they hate it. By the chill, cause these girls overrated. They say that I'm flowing, they put me on playlists. I be rocking off white like I'm racist. I do what I want with my life with the matrix. Be too deep in my thoughts, I be jaded. Forget your opinion, don't need to be graded. I play in that word, they didn't see, but I waited. Gotta hop in the studio and go make a song. By the blow, so they know we can make a bond. She be looking so bad without makeup on. By the hell, his wife's gonna be Genghis Khan. Need my check, man, he always gon' run it. Brody capping this rap, he ain't done it. I can miss you, I'm chasing this money. You work for a goal and they start acting funny. Whenever chase, I'm always with my dogs. Yeah, we can hang it for vibe is enough. I be rhyming all the time, taking off. RPX, I be dripping like Voss. Yeah, we be chill till these people get lost. She a baddie from Apex, she liking my style. Man, need me a show to go light in the crowd. We be turning up lately, so what's going down? I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to big gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey and fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Let me switch and I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no I won't scrap. Can put us on safety, we pop like a strap. So many thoughts I can't fit on the page. Fuck this shit, I'ma shit off the brain. She said she like how I put
9:30, I know.
so I step out like a plane. Yeah, we hit the block in the cheddar. I keep the door and came up off a stain. I'm just trying to see more honest.
Should get some volume soon, chat. You see me? Wait, I think we have news at 10 too. We have some yellow folder. Yeah, we have yellow folder. Jefferson speak, FOMC member. But price now move. I will just have to give like a few more minutes. Becky pick up. Alright, cham, I just wait a few more minutes. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey and fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Let me switch and I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no I won't scrap. Can put us on safety, we Sealer.
Pull up two door on my lover. Do what I want, I'ma do it forever. Yeah. I want it all, nothing less. I can do what he do, but I'm doing it better. Yeah. Mix match the chrome with Marshall. I can say what I want, I don't fall for the drama. Nah. New girl, California. She be driving California. She want me like the vaccine. I made a check, didn't need no degree. I prove them all wrong, who didn't believe. Do it myself, I don't need no team. No kid, no scholar. Hey, made me go farther. You can say what you want, but I'm still unbothered. Go down, get back up. Do it all myself, don't need no backup. Back then, I cannot believe I called you a friend. Hit me up now, get left on red. Learn to forget, but don't forget. Think about the future, the past is dead. Live my life with no regrets. Every day I go to sleep, wake up to a payday. See me going up, she yelling Mayday. I don't like you when I'm sober. Baby, it's all over. Wanna hop inside the road. Too fine, you belong in the spotlight. Go out every night is a highlight. Dark times right now, you a sunshine. I changed my life when I got rid of problems. I changed my life when I added a comma. Flying to Vegas to meet at a conference. I'll take a risk and I'm confident. I'll face my fear and I'll conquer it. Don't get impressed by a compliment. I'm more impressed from all my accomplishments. More than my diploma. They gon' get sick of me just like Corona. I don't give a fuck, that's my persona. At the end of my rope, I'm screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, the whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this, regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro, this joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here, I'll pass you some cash, you should go get more. I'm an addict and I like it, like a superhero. I guess weed must be my sidekick. I cannot go back, so I've been prowling for a new fix. Smoking different strains, someone tell me where the booth is. Tell me why you lacking, I can trust you cause I know you finna fall. Too many times I told myself, this marijuana getting old. I put those thoughts right in a cage, then I smoke me another bowl. Trying to melt all the time away, every minute just too cold. I'm a sex addict, I love it when she touches the pole. My automatic, bullets addicted to taking souls. We let them have it, empty the clip and reload. My bullets on go, I smoke some blow. I need it, I need my fix. Shop the demons, cause I'm so rich. Waiting, fiending, dreaming, thinking about my next time. Chasing the dragon, the one in my rope. I'm screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, the whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this, regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro, this joint is the norm. You say you're getting off.
I'm gonna see if I get copyright yet.
Here, I'll pass you some cash, you should go get more. Walking around with open arms, but my heart remaining closed. Care so much about perception, I buy designer clothes. I don't think they pay attention, as long as they're fulfilled. Your homies be there for trips, but don't wanna pay the bills. Smoke all up inside my lungs, decisions so complicated. LSD on my tongue, I don't know if I'ma make it. If I die, I need a blunt, at least to keep me sedated. So tired of smoking runs, Gorilla Glue, I'ma face it. Oh, I need the Adderall. The devil hits my line, and I answer that call. I don't care, no, cause I'm on my own highway to hell. Chasing cash flow, but nigga, I ain't fucking with Zell. Like, give me the cash out. These other niggas feel like laugh tracks. This at the top like a snapback. Your song a flop, we can have that. Used to whip around in a hatchback. Now I drive around smoking big guy. With a white bitch, got a fat. Feeling the pain when no one cares. Addiction, the whispers in my ear. Think you're better than this. Regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro. This joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here I'll pass you some cash.
Dog in
You
ourselves.
should go get more.
Just jump on Wix Night stream, it's like it all activated in ourselves. What was the idea behind that though?
Your life changes the moment you stop waiting for someone to save you.
Facts.
I think one of the biggest pieces of
Come on,
advice,
my
if
nigga,
you
we
want
don't
to
go
see
with my
it
nigga
from
for
a
all of my
different
doors in
angle,
the pen.
give you a different
You said you was
Right,
gang,
but
but you
that's the
never
way
hang,
it
and I
goes.
guess it was a miss. The picture I paint is never gonna change our PG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we don't go with my nigga for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you
Boy,
never hang, and I
happened to
guess it
like
was a
dog.
myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change our PG, we gonna win.
I like
Spending this
that.
cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love, them bitches, they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands, look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary G's with Dolce Gabbana, I might throw in the Pradas, I stay flying.
I've received so much advice from so many
I'm the
angles.
king of my hood, now let's see how that look. DC to New York, just know we all good. But
No, no, wait a second, I got talk about.
most these bitches was clowning you. Switch on me, I never lied to you. Now you pull up, I got rounds for you. Yeah. Come on, my nigga, we don't go with my nigga for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we don't go with my nigga for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. We can do this shit all again. Knew what I wanted at the age of 10. No matter story or path, I always knew money was gonna be the end. Did what I want with no consequence. Now we gon' ball at a score again. We not allowed in the store again. I think cause we bought all the clothes again. All of them packages made a shit. Found a new beat and I made it. This is a story I started with.
This all the can go. Wait, oh yeah, it's a new for open at 9 AM.
I know I'ma be the best, yeah. Same nigga from the block, same nigga from the steps. Roll the dice, play it twice. You just might lose your life in these streets every night. I know niggas that was getting this chicken, they cooking up. Guess they good in the kitchen. I started off from the street to the city. I'm getting guap, let's go fuck up the city, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we don't go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we don't go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang,
Then we get activated cause chat. When me I look on chat, I'm showing up. You see, basically we arrange as you already know, we arrange, but see this new 4 I can go open up at 9 AM. We'll open up printer low. Think we rebreak the previous 4 I can go low and then we flip bullish. We start with push up. We print a top week. You see me? So this is our idea. You see if this candle can flip back bearish chart, we could may I see cause may I drop down to like a smaller time frame and see if I can confirm it. But this is just something that I look a while. Let's see if we flip back bearish. As you can see over here, so we have clean range going down. Then candle wick was able to fill the range. Right, so fill the range. So it's like how we close at the level. Or we close below chart, like we close below. You see if we print a top week, like we price it right now, that good. If we flip back bearish, we are wait for like a 5-minute closure and wait for another top week. But let me see. I put one line right as up on the 4 I can go flip, isn't it? And I'll see if we can get how we can take advantage of the sales going down if this 4 I can go flip back bearish. I still need that top wake up there, so chewing that tough, not gonna lie. Now start play that one up on a stream instead I beat. Because if me I get copyrighted still. Basically chat, I just look left to make sure some other levels them right. So you see like this right here, so it's like that's all me to look left and adjust my lines and make sure they ain't fixed properly. So you can put this up some more right here, so That decent. Even if we get activated, even if we take sales point can go flip, we could go break even at 4059.87. So I'm put one next line right. So this would have been with break even level if we forget activated in sales. Nice, right there, so. A nice top week chat. So yeah, if this 4 I can and that upon rebreak of your lows. Well, I'm gonna measure this. I'm flip so to like 20. Alright. So chat, look, you see my levels, them levels, I have a level at 64.74. I'm gonna look for text cells below this level. Because why? And we get the idea behind it. As you can see, price, I'm gonna show them, I'm gonna draw you out. Price go up. I'll go all the way up, yeah, so price reject, go push back down. And then we'll start a range. You see me? So this I think, chat. You see if price so like how we are push up right now and we print a top week, you see if we can manage to get like some rejection and we close back below the range. Once we get like any type of closure back below, yes, a chat, you could call this like a lower high, right? So hold on. You could call this right as a lower high or liquidity is like, but we have to go wait though, cause now we have to confirm that this bullish candle would have to flip bearish. If it flip bearish, we could work with that and put a stop on the candle highs. You see me? So what I expect once if this candle for push back down and we flip bearish, this is how we once we get any type of closure back below the range, right? So remember, I say right, I say you can go open up now before it starts to push up. So if we get any type of closure, I'm gonna also wait for a retest. I'm gonna look for sales going down. Once we tap this level, 40-60, I'm gonna go break even. Cause this is like a minor rejection area. You see me? As you can see, price top in I pass and reject, right? So price top we reject. And if you look left further, price top couple times and we reject. But that don't mean we can't take sales. All we have to do is go break even once price top this level. And if price reject, then we break even and get hit. But if price don't reject chart and we just break through this level, my TP would be at 4056.79 this level. Cause this is like a bottom of my range right here, so you see me? I'm gonna measure that by the way. From below come straight down. That's like a 70 pip range chart. Our break even level is like a 39 pips. I'm probably even close full right here, so for like 40 pips. 40 pips to be exact. You see me? And the whole entire range is a 70 pip range. So yeah, chat. That's the idea. And as I say, instead of we go break even right here, so right on this yellow line, we can basically close full right here. So I'm gonna move this and put this right here. So TP would have be 46. No, yeah. 4060.45. And if you want to hold the trade longer, you could have hold the trade down towards 4057. This level right here, so you see me? This is just a minor rejection level where price could reject from. So I'm gonna just exit right here, so for 40 pips. If we forget activated. And if you don't want to exit, you could have hold some runners go down towards 4057. Let me see that how much. Yeah, so to 4057, that's like an extra 30 pips. Break chart. So that's the idea we have right now for sales. You see me? So can this candle actually flip back bearish? Re-break its lows.
you a star. There's a real fine line between the confidence and cockiness. I promise that the difference lies how often they be talking it. Fuck around and do it, niggas swear that I be walking it. And they don't want no problems, but they acting like they starting it. They live in the facade, always wanting what I got. Won't get free, man, how they acting, always wanna play a part. I don't know if I'm a sign, like the Treaty of Versailles. At this point, I've been at war with all these niggas. I say, yo, bitch, a party, call a fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same vein. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear replay.
Giles. We got what, 12 minutes left. Hopefully remember I plan chat. As I said, once this can go flip back bearish, we'll start look for sells. We'll start look for some entry confirmation. I'm gonna break down like a whole entire reason. So if you never understand, you can just replay. I'm promise you can understand it. Like once a year, 2 times. Who that vibe is? A British rapper. I want to hear that.
Hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping. Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad beat, come to the nits for a piping. Leave it a little bro swipe. I'm without, that's my big pal. He's on violence, he don't make no sound. Spin the whip, give a fuck by the crowd. If you chill with the ops, you ain't making me proud. Bro, what's wrong with this child? He got his time to still runs his mouth. Cause he comes to the end, if broski's riding, then I'm riding, no doubt. I got hella length things from south, just brought their back and open mouth. New bando, I don't chase no clout. I just hit the up, you smoke it and I'm out. My broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. My broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. I see broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine, a lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping. Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it,
Yeah.
somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Come to the nits for a piping. Leave it a little.
We got 9 minutes left, chat. Let's see if this 30-minute candle can flip bearish in 9 minutes or not. We already know a plan already. If this can go flip bearish.
Angle arms, I swing it. Dip it, rip it, twist it, kill it. Everyone's bad till bro starts chinging. Gunshot, holy, you in existence. We caught one, he left his misses. Pull up on my block, his scripts we're flipping. 3 doors, pop shotgun, get lifted. If you got hit, with a see him on pictures. I see watching, catching, mopping. Hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, dropped him. Everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT bopping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine. A lot's on my mind, but the money ain't stopping. Due to get long when corn starts flying. Bucket the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad beat, come to the nits for a piping. Leave it a little bro swipe. Best believe if we got smoke, you know what's up. Nowadays my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked.
I'm so going. So it's like this 30-minute can go print another low. was like 72. So basically, price push up in this 30-minute candle, price open up right here. So print a low, we push up towards 76, and then price reject. Can remember what I tried to flip just now? Hold on. Yeah. After price reject, as you can see, we are push up. So probably like where we get a closure above, because as you can see, we have structure on this 30-minute candle. So the thing is, this 30-minute candle, you know, go easily flip back bearish, because now we have structure. We try to flip bearish and we fail and we are pushed back up. So this is how we call structure. So with structure, 7 minutes left. You know, we could have probably get a closure above the range and look for some buys within the range, but I don't know yet, chat. I wait for the price actually close. Because remember, I telling you earlier, you know, the more price print, I more will adapt. It's like the idea I have from earlier, it can change like the more price print, you see me? But the idea not change yet. I wait until we get a closure. If we can get a closure above this range. Yeah. Now we have to get a closure. If we can get a closure above this range right as a chart, then we would wait for the next can go open up and push down first. Something like this. Boom. So we get a closure above here, so. You see me? Once the next can go open up. If the next can go open up, push down first, tap this level minimum 76, 4076.71 minimum. You have to tap this level minimum. And if it tap this level and it break and push down towards 86, no, not 86, 68, that good as well. You see me? Because as I can see, my pass was able to reject from 68 and was also able to reject from 76. So a closure above the range, once this level get top minimum. So if we can flip back bullish, we could look for some buys and it can go flip if we go up towards the next range. Where would I be right as well? So we have a level right as well. So this range I'm gonna look to take advantage of. But as I said, first step is a closure above. You see me? And as I said, this is not just any closure above. This candle will print structure, because remember, you know, we push up first and then we reject and then we push up back again to break the highs. So analyze the candle just pop straight up and close above the range and we are take buys. Now this candle print structure and the way up. So that's the difference, isn't it? Because not every candle just push up with take buys, but it have to push up a certain type of way. Hopefully you don't understand though. Anything you don't understand, just ask a question. So yeah, chat. We have both idea for buys and sells. That's our sold price too. We got 4 minutes left, chat. Within 4 minutes we get a closure. I'm gonna see what can go on. Within 4 minutes. I'm gonna run some music. I'm not delete them, I'm just hide them for a second. Cause then just make a chart look like shit, bro. When then you line it up on my chart, you just look away. I don't like it. So I just move them for right now. In the next 3 minutes I put them back. Cause they're valid in a chart, man. I say they're not valid. I just don't like when the lines up on my chart. Turn up the music.
I get scared, I'm about to lose it all. Lost a piece of me, I don't know, the fame could make me old. I feel all alone, all my fears are going to control. Do you really care? I don't know if I can trust a soul. I feel alone again without you. It's my home again, I'm so through. Oh my heart again, I need you. I'm sorry that I'm not with you. Take my heart every day and then go. It's my fault cause I can't let you go. I was good when you leave, I feel low. Up at night thinking about if you go. Take my heart every day and then go. It's my fault cause I can't let you go. I was good when you leave, I feel low. Up at night thinking about if you go.
You have to have patience when you're trading a lot. I swear, this requires a lot of patience, bro.
Hey yo, Doug. I ain't feeling good, but you know it already. Hang out with my bitch and she said she already. And the fans want me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show out the show, man, it's been too many. L at the L, man, I guess I had plenty. When I was at my lowest, they was popping no confetti. And I don't wanna talk it, all this shit get too heavy. I was fucking with a bitch, she said she love my vibe. Who would've thought that would be the last one I see her eyes? Talk to boy, you say you contemplated suicide. Suicide ain't the answer, man, you gotta live your life. Well, I ain't gon' lie, I've been there. Feel love to your face like they been here. Like being real, it's been rare. But thank God I'm still here. Like fucking, I'm back on the road. Like call, but you already know. So down, so low, but you already know. But I hate on a kiss, so yeah, I had to keep it up. But I ain't gon' lie, yeah, sometimes I've been feeling stuck. You ever felt so down that you don't believe in love? But I can't this far, so why would I ain't feeling good? But you know it already. Then I with my bitch and she said she already. And the fans want me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show out the show, man, it's been too many. L at the L, man, I guess I had plenty. When I was at my lowest, they was popping no confetti. And I don't wanna talk it, all this shit get too heavy. And this my life, yeah, you know I'm mad. Gotta take what's mine, don't put you in last. Gotta clear my eyes, had to get out the gas. And before this cover shit, yeah, we put on masks. But I know one thing is for sure, I gotta get these racks up. And they gon' snake you for your cash, gotta keep it stashed up. And always stay one step ahead, never let them catch up. I remember days you think about 10 plays, man, I'm tryna go platinum. I little baby said, I don't do no drugs no more. I've been catching flights, riding up 4x4. My bitch, she bad, got a fish, she's always wanting more. Made one call, get to clapping, they should know you feeling good, but you know it already. Then I with my bitch, and she said she already. And the fans want me to win, so I know we already. Lord, give me mercy already. Show out the show, man, it's been too many. L at the L, man, I guess I had plenty. When I was at my lowest, they was popping no confetti. And I don't wanna talk it, all this shit get too heavy.
I so close. I'm lucky, bro. Alright, so close respecting. We never close above chat, we close respecting. Let me see. Just get a quick pop down. We could get a weekend trip buy off at 86 level. That would be trade buy. But chat, you see, if we can tap 86 chat, we're gonna look for a weekend trip buy. If we can tap this level right, that's a chat. Remember me say yo, we are looking for buys from 4086. So can we push, can we tap? We just want to see this push down just a little bit more, chat. You see me? Just a little bit more. I'm looking for some weekend trip buys. Just a little bit more, like 9 pips more, bro. Looks like we now gonna get it, chat. Look like that's it, bro. Forward close though.
They be saying that's my brother way allowed, now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the
No, Rebecca the lowest.
Nobody out dolly every day. I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich. This shit go quick. We hit a switch. Had to get to it, man. That makes it not a nothing. Know that pussy wet it dripping. That shit busting. How you gon' fuck with me? You pop out of the sudden. Fuck 'em, I can't trust them. Love me all of a sudden. Yeah. She hit my phone like, babe, I love you. Wait a minute. Oh, there's a time for everything, and that's the truth.
So chat look like that's it, bro. We fall like 9 pips away and no price start for reject. So I'ma just adjust.
Let the kid out hanging broken hearted. Kinda crazy how the flow we done on party. And now that you know, less hit than a queen. You ain't really fuck with me until I blow in my head. And suckers hope you know I hear you. Sitting on West and doing shit, how I'm gon' feel you. Got his money with a new bitch to my left, to my right. Talking down, we come around and watch you flinch.
Like I for a can flip too.
Now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause I'm popping like a bitch. Had nobody out dolly every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes it not a nothing. Know that pussy wet it dripping, that shit busting. How you gon' fuck with me, you pop out of the sudden. Fuck 'em, I can't trust them, love me all of a sudden.
It's probably close chat, but we never get an entry, bro. Goal came 9 pips away. So you go still.
Justin, I like this one.
Cut that flip, man. So you got chat 69, not 69, 68 never get top, as you can see. It was close. That would have been a clean weekend trip by though. Price they just we push down just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. That would have been amazing. That would have been out already. Measure this. It's already a 40 pip range. Would have been out of that trade there. Now if price to re-break its lows chat, mode look for the same. Mode look for the same entries again. Cause I don't see them anymore. Like the first initial reaction. That would have been clean though, bro. I swear. That would have been so clean, chat. Price came like 5 pips away, bro. 6 pips away. And we entry. Yeah, I see how my finger is a hover over buy button. As I'm saying, I saw you go still. I just wait. So far, look like as I'm saying, check is a range there. So any trade you may take, I'm gonna look for take a trade within the range. I'm not look for no breakout. You see me? So that's why I'm gonna look for take buys from right as if we go up, check. So I'm gonna look for take buys from right as if we go up, cause this is within the range. You see me? You see, if when I look for take like no sells below the range or no buys above the range, you have a higher chance of winning if you take a trade within the range, cause prices I go up and I go down, I go up and I go down. So though I go for more like I make sure I avoid the breakouts them. But anything within the range, solid though, chat. Anything within the range. Where I get close though, not gonna lie. I get close. May I look on this 5 minute can go flip chat, but this I think. May I say yo, may I look if it would have make sense for take sales off 5 minute can go flip. The range going down is a 30 pip range down towards 67. You see me? But this is the reason why I'm now look for the sales off I flip, because this 15 minute we got 8 minutes left and we can still flip bullish. You see me? So I'll look for ourselves off I flip. If we can flip bearish, close below the range, and then the next can go open up chart. See if this can go flip bearish, close below the range, and the next can go open up and give you another high. Then we can look for put sales on the candle flip. You see me? But this I like the first high we just get. So that's why I'm gonna stay away. I'm gonna stay out of this 5-minute candle and avoid it. For me take sales, I need to see closure below and some more highs. Some more lower highs. Nice, fill the range. Nice goal. That never was a part of my plan, so that good. But the closer this, you see try the closer this 15-minute time frame get for close, then is a higher chance we get a closure below the range. You see me? So we're good, bro. So like how this 5-minute can go flip drive down, yeah, next 5-minute can go open up print a high. By the time that 5-minute can go flip out, we're gonna have like the last 4 minutes left in the 15-minute time frame. So now is a high chance this 15-minute close bearish and we're now go flip back bullish and break into another range, because this is a whole another range up as up. You see me? So help me wait for it. Just want to add that extra confirmation there, you see.
Hey Ross, sauce it up. Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone. Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone.
So chat, we get a closure below. We get a closure below 44. I'm gonna get 44 from. We get a closure below 64, you see me? But we ain't even say highs, chat. Yeah, I say me look for sales below, yes sir. But before me put my sell stop, I need to see price print high. I need to see price push up for a sprint at top weight. Little steeper than this. I now work with that. Push up towards 466. Want something a little bit steeper than that. That could be it, but if that's it, then I GG's. I wait for something just a little bit higher. Price just push down, fill the range, then we just adjust. I'm gonna go 4 more into the sales chart. I'm gonna say a steeper top width before we look for sales stop. Nice, 5-minute can go open up, push down first, bro. Alright. So like how we push down chat without structure, remember by plan. It's like today is a range day, so remember I'm telling you, say yo, me not look for no type of sales. Me not look for no breakout sales, you see me? So this is how I mean chat. See if price, see like how prices are fall down. You see if we fall down and top anyone that didn't leave your chart, me more likely to look for buys. You see me? Because we are range, bro. Me not take no breakout sells. When price almost break up, I look for buys to go up back into the range. But the reason why I'm not take no buys, right? Yes, I chat, because I wait first for something like steeper than that. But yeah, no, I'm not look for no breakout, no buys, no breakout buys or no breakout sells. Because price are range, bro. And a breakout, you're most likely going to get cooked. Price will just push right back into the range. So for example, you see like how this hourly candle push down chat to the bottom of the range. Taking sales right, yes so. Taking sales right, yes so chat would have been bad, bro. Alright, yeah, so. That would have just big bad. Taking buys above, yes, a chat. Same thing. Would have be bad, bro. Or above, yes, so. Cause this is a range of price in. You see me? It's a range of price in. So any trade where I take chat, I gotta be within this range from right or so to right or so. Like within it. Any single trade. Just for that reason. See like what going? Oh. Can we get a closure back into the range though? Decide chat, we have 2 minutes until it's 15 close. Closure back into the range, once the price push down first. If that happen, we could have put buys on the candle flip. You see me? If you understand, I'm show you. You can see we have a level right here, so. We have a level right here, so you see me? You see if price will push down and no, if price will close respecting this level, the next candle open up, push down first, top like 46. More look for take buys on the candle flip once the candle flip bullish. You see me chat? And this how more take buys within the range. I even draw good. This how more take buys within the range, but I need to push down first. And anything above that, some look for buys go up towards yourself. So now we are staying at the range. You see me? We're not looking for no breakout. But we got a minute left before the candle close, man. So the candle close. Then we get a closure respecting. Basically, basically same thing when I talk about happen, but this I think it happened before it can even close. We still got like what 40 seconds left, it can't even close yet. But price basically push down towards the bottom of the range and then we start to reject. As you can see on like the 5-minute time frame. So this would have be clean, but this I think we did a wait till we get a closure though. We can't still not close it, we just a push up. So I look for no buys yet. I want to see a closure back into the range. We got like 10 seconds. And if we close too far in our range, then we can't look for no buys because the range going up. I'm gonna look for buys go up to 72, it's only a 20 pip range going up. Yeah. But what we can do though is look for a weak entry buy. If price open up and push down first and top 66, we look for a weak entry buy. But we need to push down first. Price print a top wick and then we start to push down. We avoid the buys and chat because once we have a top wick, that could be enough to go push down and break. Like for example, see if price will like push up first, print a top wick, then flip bearish, we avoid buys. Cause remember me say if price fall down with a top wick, this right here could be enough for break past 66. You see me? And that would lead to drawdown. Say, once the price push down first, we would print a steep top wick. Why the range going up by the way? Once it can go flip would be 30.
Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What she do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw-outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he gotta move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out, if he's giving it up then we're putting him down. Real trap nigga, I'm grabbing them packs and I push it around. If the line goes stiff, then I'm hitting the strip and I percolate town. Said he got bits to the loud, what bits to the loud, bro, ring right now. I'm trying to make a killing right now. Fuck that bitch, I ain't with it right now. Why this bitch wanna grab on my jumper? I thought I was a one-hit wonder. Now she calling me a one-hit wonder. I hit that once and where I went, yeah, I wonder. Bro ain't social fucker. More about these blunt replies. Well, these replies only gonna get blunter. Other side with some fantasy knives. Shit, you don't really wanna butt this cutter.
You deal with XRP? XRP? No. No, bro. Me not do nothing. Me not deal with that. So you're betting the dip. What you mean by that? Betting the dip. Me not understand what you mean by that, bro. But yeah, chat, can we push down on top 60, 65? Now market execute buys once we tap this level. Now push down a little bit more. Just a little bit more, chat. Once we tap the yellow line, chat, my market execute buys. Just a little bit more goal. Come on. Don't flip bullish yet. I was like, watch out. That was less than a, no, that was like 5 pips away, bro. 4 pips away. Goalkeeper and I do this shit. It was just 4 pips away from a weekend to buy. No, chat. This are the thing, chat. You see if price for push back down now, chat, it's not the same. You see if price for push back down, chat, let me show you. I'm fine. I'll turn on my tool. Oh, see that? Alright. So look, chat. Me not buy. Me not no buys, chat. No buys. This are the reason why. See if price will like push down. I'll push up. I'll push down. Tap this level. And the first initial reaction. And the first initial top, chat. That's when would I expect a reaction on the first top. But we priced the price push down. We came close. Let me show you. No, I'll move that. Put back this right here. So basically this our price. The price push down. We came close to the level. We never tap completely. After that, price reject. I will print another lower high. So when price come back down to this level, now the weekend buy is invalid. It's not the same. We'll look for the first initial reaction. But price push up, print another lower high, and then we start to break the level. So that's why I cancel out the buy idea, chat. And look, you see it for yourself. We now break through easily. So yeah, chat. That was the idea behind that. Hopefully understand. But let me get some new levels markup. Or wait, we can still use these levels. So chat, when next weekend buys could be at 58. 40, 58. If we push down top 40, 58, chat, we could look for some weekend buys at 40, 58. 40, 58 for sure. Let me see. What would that be the advantage going up? Hold on, chat. Me not look at the comments right now. I try lock in. Soon check out it. I saw when I said, oh, push up, printing another high. So yeah, I just wait. Another week. The next weekend buy strike could be at like 40 58. Sorry, 40 58.53. I'm gonna get some new levels. My chart look kinda annoying. So I'm gonna delete everything and get some new levels, bro. Same idea though, chat. $57. Yeah, 58 right, so
in my rotation, one in relations. Bigger than no conversation, ain't got the time, too much celebrating. Another day, another dog. Now she want me as a crush. She want me to eat it like lunch, make the little girl fall in love. If I was to give you a chance, I promise it'd only be one. Find out you take it for granted, you get it left in the dust, you get it left in the past tense. Can't treat me right, then I just gotta dip advantage. Said your ex, he left you tragic, just because you sad and damaged. Don't give you the right to hand it. It's too late.
Hold on, chat. Give me a sec.
Late now, had to upgrade from my regular ways. Shorty, she see that I'm on, already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave, told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that. The way you be acting now, need to find a place for that. Gave you a part of my heart, I wish I could take it back. Wish I could take it back. If we just face the facts, showing love is too late for that. It be too late to show me all your love. It be too late for the kisses and hugs. Play with my heart, baby girl, you a dog. Say you want me, but I know it was lost. Let a boy fly, he lit, he up. All of a sudden, I'm her number one. Top of the list, no, I cannot forget what those shawty was like when I didn't.
Can go flip out. That was clean. We just never get an entry chat, but the analysis on point though. We just never get an entry confirmation. But as I'm saying, the breakout is a kind of tough chat. I look for no breakouts. Anything within the range where we could see them I have done yourself. We look for buys for like 49 levels. We can't have 49, we look for buys. Go up towards 55. Like, for example, if price will push down to 49, obviously multiple candles I could push down, not just one candles, but I look for weekend buys from 49 to go up towards 55. And if price continue down further, we still have rejection levels on the way down to price. So we're gonna draw down. Price could definitely push down top like 43.74 and still flip bullish and fill the range. So that are the buys when I look for chat. You see me? Or would I just wait for price top 43 first and then we'll look for buys on the candle flip to go back up in the range. But you get the idea though. Or we can look for buys in the middle of the range, but anyone called first. Hopefully not too confusing chat. If that's it, we could wait for like a closure, any closure above like 40.73. That will be bad. Then measure the range going up from 43, 46. I'm keeping on say 43, from 73 to 76. That's like a 30 pip range going up after a push down towards the bottom of the range. So that would be 3 buy. But I still need to see like closure above chart and like can't give me the need to flip bearish and print a low. Print a low down towards 4069 bro messed 4069.45 chat. And the reason why is because we have these to the left chat. Last time price tap this level we reject. You can see we tap this level we reject, push up and fill the range, and we have more to the left. We have more levels to the left, so that's why I'm put the level there, right? That's all. But yeah, so basically prices I need to close above. So like all this 5 minute candle close above, nice chat. Could I look for put buy stop chat on this 5 minute candle flip chat? If this 5 minute candle managed to flip back bullish, that would have been decent feeler. But no, we can't just buy though chat, cause you see we close above, it's the same thing we close above, we push down, we top 69, 40.69. If this candle managed to flip back bullish, you could get activated, look at buys going up. And would I look for jump out? Let me measure this range buy before we Let me measure the range going up chat. It's our 20 towards the rebreak of the highs are like 60. So could I go break even and close full on the rebreak of the highs? Decent. So chat, let me adjust this. That would have be TP at 4077.76 if price will flip bullish, if we get activated, and this would be break even area 4075.34. That this right, so I'm putting a line right, so that would be break even area. So yeah chat, no weekend entry buys. If this can manage to flip back bullish, then the trade would be valid. Hold on.
Alex, run that shit back. Hey, yo, Hypno, that shit fire, bro.
Alright chat, so I got buy stop. Let me tell you the exact level. I got buy stop at 44. I got buy stop at 4074.76. 4074.76. That are exactly when I have buy stop. And the kangaroo break at the highs. Let me see. Or could I even put it a little bit low up on the 5-minute kangaroo break high highs? Yeah. Flip will be buy either. So chat, you know what? I put buy stop on the flip if I get a chance. 4073.97. That's what I have buy stop. 4073.97. Basically the 5-minute can go flip. Alright, so I'm gonna just get activated in buys chat. Just get activated in buys on the 5-minute candle flip. This is no risk-free trade chat. Holy shit, we can't even move, bro. Chat, this is no risk-free trade. We top 40.75, so now the trade is a risk-free trade chat. If we hit break even with GG's, and this would be TP right here. Look like we're both here. Break even hit. GG's. Break even get hit, bro. Yeah. So chat, let us wait and see how they can go close. But that was a break even trade. I think what will peak from this can go flip towards 40.75. That was 18 pips. Peak like 18 pips in that trade, and then we hit break even. I saw you gotta do, but remember I'm telling you, that are the reason why I'm put this line right as a chart. So it's a yellow line. Then so this would be break even because price. This is a minor level. This is a minor resistance. So price could tap the minor resistance, flip back bearish, but that's why I'm gonna break even. So I'm just wait and see if we get nothing else. If not, then I just call it a break even day. But me I go there until 11. Yeah, then that don't know that I'm gonna say something. Oh, I have to replay and then it done. Hold on, chat. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. Now forward.
Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, that I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot, yeah. What's the move with you? Way you move it, I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got the smile and the vibe is something new with you. We can take
Yeah, chat, I'm back. Hold on. For this. So yeah, chat. Hopefully you understand the idea behind that trade, and we can go over it once again if you don't understand. So let me go over it. So basically, chat, the reason why I took buys, think we took buys on the rebreak of the highs. The candle flip right there, so yeah. So chat, look, as you can see, chat, we have a level right. We have a level right here. Which part me take buys? Look left, chat. Look right here, so we have all of these candles were reject. This is like every time price close above this level we may have right here, so every time price close above, we was able to push up. Looking at the past, all of them candles was able to push up, fill the range. And the range we get fill was 75 minimum. That's the range we get fill. Yeah, a couple times we push up and we break, we tap 76. We push up a couple times and we tap 76, but minimum chat, you gotta expect 4075.47 for get tap minimum. So that's the reason why this was my break even level, chat. So we get activated right here, price push up, and this was we break even, chat. You see me? And after we go break even, price print a wick and flip bearish and close back below the range. So that was the idea behind break even. That was the idea behind the entry. And yeah, with stop loss that happened like so quick, you didn't even get a chance to place stop loss. Most of my trades then go, but stop loss would have on the low though, chat. This would have be like break a structure right here, so that's some stop loss would have there, or could I use the next one. But yeah, chat, I delete this and see if we can get anything else, and if we not get nothing by level, then I can just call it a day by 11 o'clock. Let me delete this. Chat. 4-hour candle, not 4, 30-minute candle flip bearish. So we print a high. If this 30-minute candle close back below the range, that would have been decent. As remember in the chat, it's like we're not looking for a trade unlike the breakout, we just look for a trade within the range. You see me? So that buyers that just know was within the range. If I look for sales, that will be within the range as well. And 30-minute candle flip towards the 30-minute candle lows. Let me see how much. At like 20, 26. Hopefully, music not too loud in our background. The background music too loud, chat? Are we good?
I've just been so lonely. I've been so damn lonely.
But yeah, we got what, 3 minutes left. May I see how this can go close?
Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I'll be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I just keep going.
So we hit break even. Right, start to push back up. So you go. But that can't glad dog. Yo. What the fuck?
Stay fly, that's cause I'm chosen. I don't do the boasting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like
No,
a white
back
tee.
at the top of the range, right?
Keep a check like Nike. Can't find a nigga that's like me. But I see, fuck niggas that's high key. Plotting on me most likely. Can't fuck with me cause I'm icy. Been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away.
So chat, me just basically chat me a wait to see closures. You see me? We get a closure in like let me see. If 5 minutes can go 2 minutes, so I got a closure in 2 minutes chat. See if close above or if close below. I wait for that. Cause remember this a goal. Even though we are push bullish right now, like it look like it pushing bullish. Like a closure always important because in the last few minutes you can literally close back bearish below the range or bearish back into a new range. So that's why I'm gonna wait until we get a closure chat. No FOMO. No FOMO internet trade. Even though we range, man, I gotta lie, today was a good day. Even though we just range, bro. We have like 2 to 3 ideas. All of them get play out. We just never get an entry confirmation on 2 of them. And 1 of them we get entry, but we hit break even. And then we hit TP. And you know more that close full chat. It's like win a top 77 completely. We came like 1 pip away, but you already know me, bro. Would have been close full. Okay, bro. Why gold just never top the level completely? It always just 1 pip away or some bullshit like that, bro. I swear, dog. Every trader can relate to that. I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about a fucking rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Teddy, if you dumb me, no, we can go run it back. They ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I'ma debut first, I did how to sound. I got so much in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text to mine, shawty, is you down to stop? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times. So I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna start. Said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new biz. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, you stay shameless, bringing up their fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time. Before I blow up, I'm just tryna make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can wear no heart up on my sleeve, cause it's summer, baby. Only rock basic white tees, try and break a milli. I got women lined up on the silly to get faded with me. They get just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me. Yeah. I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text to mine, shawty, is you down to stop? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times. So I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna start. See days like this chat, I mean most traders blow them account, yeah. Because it's like days like this require so much patience, bro. Notice me not chase no trade. Me just like adjust. Most people would have been been formed into some trade long time. But any trade me I take chat according to plan, bro. You see me? So me always do it. Cause me don't want to go in a drawdown and it's like me know I should have take a trade. You know what I mean? So I make sure any trade me I take is according to plan. Yeah, good. Chat basically me look on anything below like 71 would be clean to go down towards 67. That would be like clean range. Anything below 71. Let me measure the range. I think this is like a 30 pip range. Yeah, 36 to be exact. So if we can get like a closure below chat after like a small time frame, look like that not gonna happen because we have a close in the last 10 seconds. No way this can go flip bearish and close below in a 10 seconds, bro. I expect a bullish closure. Alright, we'll close now. Alright, so we'll close bullish above the range. I would have said no, we'll close respecting. We have this right, so we'll close respecting chat. You see me? So basically, you see if look, this would have be ideal chat. Let me measure this low. No. Just a little bit lower. You see, if price can push down chat top 71, nice. See, after we top 71 chat, I want to see this can go flip bullish and print a high. So I go with top 71. If we can flip bullish, print a high, I put sell stop on the candle rebreak. The rebreak of the candle lows. I put sell stop on the rebreak of the candle lows once this can go flip bullish and print a high. Cause if we print a high, you come back down and rebreak the lows, we should be able to push straight down towards 67. So this can go flip bullish now, chat. That may a weird one. Alright. Once we flip bullish, print a high, then we'll put sell stop on the rebreak of the candle lows. I'm gonna go for my phone. Wait, we flip bullish just now? Bro. Well, I'm gonna say if we flip bullish. No, we never flip bullish. We came close. So I'm gonna take this chat. No sell stop on the rebreak of the lows as yet. This can go need for flip bullish, print a high first. If that happen, this is all price at it. Price will open up, push down first. After price push down first, price reject, flip back bullish, cause this would have been the flip right as a chart. So if price will flip back bullish, we can't even draw a straight line and print a high, then we would have wait. And if price manage to close back below, re-break its lows, cause this right here so will be the re-break of the lows. Anything below that so will be clean to go down. So I expect like another high and we'll go straight down after that. So that's what would have basically happening at the 15-minute candle. But this is the thing. The 15-minute time frame now go show you that. Yeah, that I got like you'd have to drop down to like the 5 or the 1 minute time frame. So it's like when you're looking at the 15-minute time frame and you see the candle like push up. Yes, when the 15-minute time frame does something like this, so we push down and we push up, we start to reject and we start to push down. This is what happens on like a smaller time frame, but on the 15 you only see one bearish candle go forward down and then it push back up and then it forward down again. But this is what really happens on like the smaller time frame, as in my chat. So some look at it. So that when I explain just now, we're gonna see that if that happens, you're gonna see that on like the smaller time frame. I'm gonna drop down to 1 minute. You see? But we want like a steeper high. We want like this right here, so where the candle flip. The 15-minute candle flip. You see me? So once price push up, flip, print a high, would have been good. Would have been good if price to re-break its lows. Would have get activated. We got what? 10 minutes, so we still have time. That's the thing, we still have time in this 15-minute candle. But chat, the reason why I want to see a high before I take sales chat, that would have just like, it's like an extra confirmation, you see me, because price could definitely drive down. But the thing is, this 15-minute candle do have no top wick, and 90 to 95% of candles have top wicks and bottom wicks. So I just expect like this 15-minute candle flip before I feel comfortable putting sales for the re-break of the lows. I just want to see it flip bullish and print a high, and then flip back bearish and start to push back down. And if that not happen, then I just stay out. Now 4 months into no sales, now 4 months into no buys. You see me chat? Everything has to be according to plan. So fill the range. GG's chat. This is what happened from morning. Like my range them I get filled because would I look for sales. Any remember I said anything below 71 would be clean for go down towards like 67 that are the range fill. So basically the range get filled, but we just never get no entry confirmation. So that's the thing, chat. The trade idea play out, but we not get no entry confirmation. We can't just enter. You see me? Now if gold just drive down, now if gold just watch it go drive down. Well, we basically drive down already. I'll feel the range already. So that's good. I cut my local cut bro in the next 9 minutes. If we're not getting an entry chat, we got what 3 minutes left. I'll go with the person joking. Let me see something. 64. We have a level at 58.
So much about perception. I buy designer clothes. I don't think they pay attention as long as they're fulfilled. Your homies be there for trips, but don't wanna pay the bills. Won't go up inside my lungs. Decisions so complicated. LSD on my tongue. I don't know if I'ma make it. If I die, I need a blunt. At least to keep me sedated. So tired of smoking runs. Gorilla glue, I'ma face it. Oh, I need the Adderall. The devil hits my line, and I answer that call. I don't care, no, 'cause I'm on my own highway to hell. Chasing cash flow, but nigga, I ain't fucking with Zell. Like, give me the cash out. These other niggas fake like laugh traps. This at the top, like a snapback. Your song a flop, we can have that. Used to whip around in a hatchback. Now I drive around smoking big gas.
Yeah.
With a white bitch, got a fat. Told me
My second time, I say I can.
screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, the whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this, regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro, this joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here, I'll pass you some cash, you should go get more.
Chat, if I go look for weekend trip buys chat, it would have to be at like 50, at like 62 or 59. Price would have to push down further. Anyway at 40, 62 or 40, 59. But else for some weekend trip buys to go back up into the range.
You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my
If this 5 minute can go close below, next can go open up a printer high, flip back bearish. Okay, I take advantage of the range going down. Because we have a level from 7 to 1, go down to like I said, a weak fill at 66. There's in the chat.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in a pin. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth.
Say I bet in the deep, but still not understand. I mean if me I bet the deep.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in a pin. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash around to the back, we can do this shit all again. We can do this shit all again. Knew what I wanted at the age of 10. No matter story or path, I always knew money was gonna be the end. Did what I want with no consequence. Now we gon' ball at the score again. We not allowed in the store again. I think cause we bought all the clothes again. All of them packages made a shit. Found a new beat and I made a hit. This is the story I started with. We got a boat to the max. Couple bands on my neck.
Now we're update on the stream record.
I know I'ma be the best.
Oh, that's crazy.
Same nigga from the block, same nigga from the steps. Roll the dice, play it twice. You just might lose your life in these streets every night. I know niggas that was getting this chicken, they cooking up. Guess they good in the kitchen. I started off from the street to the city. I'm getting guap, let's go fuck up the city. Yeah, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash around to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash around to the back, we can do this shit all again.
Bro, so I tell my goal like a range for the entire day. Or probably later in the day we're going to get a move. But bro, what you mean by if me a Betty dip? What you mean by that?
She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we
Now
don't
we're
even
break
got a
out.
car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor in my sorrow.
Can we push down
She
our
wanna
top
kick it
60
like
chat?
Messi. She been
40
tryna
60.
text me. Nothing been the same since the
171.
day that you left me. Now I'm
Range
on
going up
top,
would
I've
that
been
be what?
whipping in a taxi. She
Range
been
going
playing
up would that
games,
be
no screaming, tryna test me.
65.
Wake up feeling moody.
40
She just wanna
46
use me.
splits.
Story of my life, every
But I
day
look
feel
for a
like a
weekend trip
movie.
buy at
I've been with a
60.
gang, walk around
40
with a
60 chat.
toolie. Air Force Ones on my feet, I've been cooling. Smoking on that Doja, not cat, just Skittles. Tattoos on my body, I'ma rock it like it's riddle. She want ass shots, poke
But
a
price
hole
will have a
like
push
a
down
nipple.
though.
Sticking to the code with the bros,
Price
keep it
this
simple.
can
And
go.
I ain't
If you
never
can
gave
just
you no
pop
soul,
straight
you
down, that
know.
would be
She just wanna
amazing, bro.
call my phone.
If you just pop
I ain't
straight down
picking
right
up
now.
though. I won't answer. She said she a Leo, but she had like a cancer. Tell me what's the move.
Guys, if you fall down with structure chat, then the weekend trip buys. Remember, you know. Remember I showed it earlier. It depends on how we push down. Yeah, we are looking for weekend trip buys. But we have to just get a quick pop down. If we push down with structure, then we would have just avoid the weekend trip buys. You see me? Same thing when I showing earlier. But can with top 60 chat, we are looking for market execute buys.
She wanna kick it like Messi. She been tryna text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, tryna test me.
Yeah, it's all the candle go close bearish in a 30 seconds. Hey, if we close bearish below the range, let me see. Now we still have this right, so.
The damage was done, and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. The shit went and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the band. So long, I'ma be like, it was time for me to vanish. Don't care if you understand it. All the nights you made me panic. I'm anxious to watch you planning. Highs and lows you made me manic, but doubled it, now I'm frantic. Now I'm leaving empty-handed, but happy to finally end it. 'Cause it don't even make sense when I think about the time I spent. All them years down the drain with them lies you said.
That will be a 120. Stops will be a 120. So chat, can we push down on top? The rebreak of the previous candle lows. We'll look for market execute buys. And if we can just push straight down right now without printing a top wick, that would be ideal. Cause remember me telling you, if we print structure on the way down, that different. It's not the same idea. But if this candle can just push down and top like 61 first before it push up and print a top wick, then we'll be good. Cause now you expect at some point this hourly candle should flip bullish and print a high. Close below as well. The chat. Above the market execute buys once we top 61. Once we top 61, chat. Alright, chat, I'm gonna buys. Just market execute buys, chat, and the lows. Yes, in my chat. Yeah. The advantage point, I think that would have been to the hourly candle flip. Yeah, once this hourly candle flip, I would be out. Yeah, chat. We'll push up to 62. Hold on. This would have been stops, chat, at 48. That would have been stops, and as I said, the advantage is the hourly candle flip. If we can manage to flip, rebreak his highs, that would have been good. Well, let me see. Let me see something. That could be break even once we top 62 or 63. So chat, that was a trade chat. Like, yeah, if we can manage to push up nice. So this is a risk-free trade chat. This is a risk-free trade. If this can go flip bullish, would I look for close full? If we can manage to flip bullish. Alright, I just place my break even chat. So can this candle flip bullish? Nice. Let me close full. Alright chat. Just close full chat. Just close full once this candle flip bullish. Cause as I said, that was the advantage point. Once the candle flip bullish. So I'm close full chat. If you want to hold the trade, just make sure your risk free the position minimum. Break even minimum chat. You see me? But yeah, that was a clean entry. Let me see. Towards the flip, that was 30 pips chat. From the weekend trade we take towards the candle flip, that was 30 pips. So nice, bro. And break even would I get hit. You see chat, this is why like I say yo, the candle flip would have been my advantage point. And we would have risk free the trade once we top 40.63. But that was a trade chat. That was super clean, bro. Top tier analysis. Let's look at that. But chat, tell me if you understand the idea behind the trade though. That was a 30 pip trade. Weekend trade buys. The candle just flip bullish, close full. Then we re-break it slow and we start to push down. But who understand the idea behind it though? Because that's the most important thing. See ya, bro. But yeah, chat, that was a clean trade, and the idea behind the trade was basically we are range. You see me, chat? Whenever price in a range, this candle close below the range, as you can see. But me look for some weekend trade buys off of 61 levels, and my advantage point was just the hourly candle flip. Once this hourly candle flip back bullish, I'm out. You see me, chat? So that was a quick 30 pips trade. You see me? Yeah. So price just did a range. After price range, we push down. We top 61. Can go flip bullish. So me just in and out within like couple seconds chat. But yeah, that was the trade though. You know, I'm a journal that chat. That was a weekend trade buy off the hourly time frame. Yeah, the hourly can go to open up. So, that was 30 pips. So let me journal that real quick. What time we take a trade, by the way? You remember what time we take this? Level o'clock. 11 o'clock we take this. So we get a trade on the last minute, bro. Cause at 11 o'clock I normally go, you know. 11 o'clock I normally cut. You put that in a cap. You know, I see. That was a buy for the weekend trade. It was a weekend trade buy. That was not a breakout chat. More just a price breakout. Push down at the level. Yeah, no price breakout right now. We break out right now, but before right as so spam enter was not a breakout. Right as so. Right as at the bottom of the range. We never enter upon the breakout. This are the breakout right as so. You see me? Some would call that a breakout. See, I'm delete that. Surprise break back into the range. We exit by a candle flip. It was off of the hourly time frame. Not a W. Much pips to make off that. See, I'm PC a bug out. Make 30 pips. I'm so sorry. We never have no drawdown from the trader chat. I was a sniper. Weekend tree. We never have no pineapple either. We never. What I say, bro, bullish. We even have a daily bias for today chat. I swear, market just a range. Me not bullish or bearish. Market just up and down, bro. Let me see if we can find a daily bias. So when I say daily can go the bearish at the moment. I can use that. Hold on, PC a bug out. What like the chat? But chat, if you don't understand the trade chat, we can go over it again. Just let me know. So yeah, that was 30 pips. So we up 30 pips for your week, chat. That was a good start for your week. And basically, this is journal chat. Easy if you understand. This a date, time, session, pair, buy or sell, the entry type, setup type, time frame, whether I'm a win or lose. This is how much pips me make or how much pips me lose. And I calculate max drawdown. If I enter a trade and the trade going a drawdown, I calculate the max drawdown. Pineapple is basically a second position, daily bias, and these are the total. And these are the weekly total, right as a part the weekend chart. Where you see this grey line go straight across over the weekend. And these are the total in the green. So yeah. This week we're up 30 pip this week, chat. Let me make sure I fix this. One of them have to be 14, because when you not edit it properly, it make your journal look lean. Are we good? No, I did see that. I'm put this at 14, chat. See, that was good. That was good. So yeah, chat, that was Monday, chat. Yeah, we can go over the trade if you don't understand. Win streak continue, by the way. Now we're on our 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 win streak. Now we're on a 14 win streak live on stream, bro. So yeah, but the idea behind the trade is the most important thing, chat, not the win streak. So we'll go over it once again. So basically, we forward on the chart, price a range. Let me show you now. I'm try to hide them now. Hide them there. Alright, chat. Sealer. Hold on. Alright. So forward on price a range, you see me? This are the range over here. Right, that's it. No, that's it. That's it, right, that's it. So the range over in a right, that's a chat. You see me? My buys, which I don't know why me I stutter. My take buys and like the bottom of the range. My buys was right as a chart. You see me? The reason why I take buys right as at like, let me see the exact level. I was off a 60, yeah, 60, 40, 60. So chat, the reason why I take buys off of 60 levels chat is because if you look left, you see last time we tapped this level, we just reject. Not only that, price been a range. Every time price push down, it go back up, and every time price push up, it go back down. You see me? So once this 30-minute can go open up chat and we push down first, we look for buys off of 60 levels. You see me? And my advantage was the hourly can go flip. But let me show you why the hourly can go flip was my advantage. Cause the hourly candle flip, the closure was just random, chat. The reason why I'm close is because this are the range we're in, chat. If I look right, so on the hourly candle flip, let me make sure I'm gonna put that so far. Yeah, chat. So upon the hourly candle flip, I'm gonna delete some of the line. My bad. Let me put that back. Alright, look. So upon the hourly candle flip, chat. If I forget buys right as a chat. The reason why I'm close once this hourly candle flip bullish, because on the flip we now enter into a new range. So this is clean range going up towards the flip. Buys from 60 go up towards 64. That's clean range. But once this can go flip bullish, now we have to go try break above this. You see we have them levels there, right? So we have to go try break this level, right? So that's why I'm exit on the flip, because now I know we might struggle to break this level, right? So we have a little level, right? So you see me. So this was the clean range from 60 go up to 64. Once the can go flip, now we have to go try break levels. So that's why I'm exit. That's why I'm close full. So the closure never random, and the idea behind the entry, as I say, price a range. We have a level right so. We have another level right so. Price push down first, tap this level, market execute buys. Once the can go flip, I'm out. Yes, in my child. So yeah. Hopefully we get that though. That was it. That was like a 30 pip trade, as I say. See it there? I'm not sure, like, I want this to go so far. Genuine. Let me make it stay there, so. But yeah, cham, I think I call it a day. I call it a day, right? That's a chat. You see me? It was a good day. On days like this, bro, is when most traders blow them account, bro. You see how we stay patient, we stay disciplined, we execute, bro. The execution was so clean. We barely have room for error, bro. Cause as you can see, as soon as the price push down, we enter, get a sniper entry, and we get a sniper exit. We barely have room for error, bro. And now, as soon as we enter and exit out of buys, watch the price just drop. But wait, my stop loss did I get hit? Let me see. Let me measure this. My stop loss was 120 pips in that trade there. No, stops would get hit, chat. Stops would get hit. So that's still in the trade, even if I never exit. Stops would get hit. But yeah, chat, that was the day. You see me? Good start to the Monday. That's what I'm say. So I just fall back Tuesday and try do the same thing, bro. Continue to follow a plan. Bro, it's just crazy to me. It's like, you see, chat, it's just all about patience, bro. You see how tell forward, and we have like about 3 ideas we will miss. About 3 ideas, price a move, and we say, yo, without form or any trade I may take, I figure be according to plan. And the one trade I will take, wait, I did break even at first, so it's basically second trade. Second trade I take, chat, was just clean. First trade they clean to but we hit break even before it drive. So as I'm say, chat, that is it for today's stream. Respect to everybody who forward out. You can just drop a like on your way out, chat. And tomorrow same time, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, that is it, chat. I already fill out the journal, chat. I already fill out the journal for Monday, so we're good. I just forward tomorrow and we'll do the same thing, bro. Today was a double day, bro. You can learn a lot from today, no joke. But yeah, chat, just drop a like on your stream on your way out, and me see you tomorrow. You see me? That is it.
wanna shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a blue. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, that I wanna shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a blue. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, yeah, I wanna shoot, yeah. What's the move with you? Way you move it, I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got the smile and the vibe, it's something new with you. We could take a jet back, I done sat back, counting cash in the bumblebee, a yellow drop vid. I've been doing a lot of shit that they never tried yet. How your ice real frozen, you might get frostbit, yeah, yeah. I just wanna do the dash. I'ma always put you first, never put you last. Way you shake that ass, make me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot, shoot, shoot like hoops.